By the end of this video, you will know how to convert a quote to an invoice in Zoho Books. Start by signing into your Zoho Books account. Once you are in the dashboard, go to the Sales section and then select Quotes. This opens the list of quotes in your account where you can look through your existing records and find the one you want to turn into an invoice. If your account has many quotes, take a moment to confirm that you are opening the correct one before moving forward. Open the quote you want to convert. This brings up the full quote record, including the customer details, item lines, pricing, taxes, and any notes that were added when the quote was created. You will be working from this page, so it is worth checking that the document on screen matches the sale you want to invoice. At the top of the quote, click Convert to Invoice. Zoho Books will create a new invoice using the information already stored in the quote. This helps carry over the core details so you do not need to enter everything again from the beginning. After you click, the invoice form will open for review. Now look over the invoice details that have been transferred from the quote. Check the customer field first, then review the invoice date and payment terms. Continue through any other information that has carried over, making sure it matches the invoice you intend to create. If something needs to be adjusted at this stage, update it before saving. Next, verify the line items in the invoice. Review the items, quantities, rates, taxes, and totals carefully. Since these values affect the final amount being billed, this is the place to catch any differences between the original quote and the invoice you want to send. If you need to make any changes, update the relevant fields directly in the invoice before continuing. After that, review the customer notes and the terms and conditions section. If these were copied over from the quote, confirm that they still apply to this invoice. If needed, add new text or update the existing wording so the invoice reflects the current arrangement with the customer. This is also a good point to make sure the message on the invoice matches the transaction you are documenting. When everything looks correct, choose how you want to save the invoice. Click Save as Draft if you want to keep it for later review, save and send if it is ready to go to the customer, or save if you just want to create the invoice without sending it yet. Select the option that fits your workflow, and Zoho Books will create the invoice from the quote. Your quote has now been converted into an invoice in Zoho Books.